It has been really important to bring in the human dimension of climate change and climate action, and conflicts and also cooperations often work out at a human level, and gender is not just looking at men and women and ensuring that women are involved like men are, but it's also looking at the issue of social differentiation.
Even if a perfect toolkit was produced on gender, even if gender was added into hydropower policies, if you did not address the structure and the culture and the values and the perceptions underlying the system, these toolkits and these add-ons would really have very little value or very little sort of outcome on the ground. So therefore the message that yes, it's really important to add gender, but it's not enough to just simply add it on.
Through our initiatives, women came up with their own ideas, what they are doing. They can ask for their rights on natural resources and can talk about those in different platforms. We also train them up to talk, how to present themselves in different forums, and they learned it and then they're doing it.
In others, it was climate change and climate action was considered very much as a gender neutral element. But now, when I hear everybody speaking, all the projects, you hear them analyzing the situation in such a way that there is attention for people on the ground, but also people in their own institutions and organizations.
Well, an enormous amount of results have been gained on all the aspects of the program, and in so many different countries. So in fact, we have answers, but the problems we raise are really complex. So it's not easy to have one answer, this is the way. This is not how reality works. So it is really a dynamic process in which you really have to understand contexts of changes and also political interventions which work in one country but not in another country. And how you can involve communities also is very much dependent on context. So what we get out of all these 7 projects is a variety of intervention strategies, but all aiming at a similar approach, namely how we can really understand process but also improve and change processes.
Quite a lot of scientific or academic articles being produced on specifically gender throughout the CCMC project and program. This helps to also bring in the academic attention, the research attention for this issue. So I really do hope that any follow-up program, that they will consider these elements.